Nectar sunglasses. Got these online. They were 30 bucks. Polarized, UV protection. Apparently when you buy these, you can get a new one, a replacement pair if you break them or something for 15 bucks. I think. Let's open it up. I ordered these right around St. Patrick's Day, so they sent a nice little note with it. Not sure why, but it's cool. Got a Nectar sticker. Save Bees. Apparently this company donates money to some company that helps bee populations. Not too sure of the details. These are the Midnight Black, kind of a plastic aviator style sunglasses. Only good vibes. Little pamphlet of the warranty, details about that kind of stuff. Didn't really read it too thoroughly. Got the sunglasses themselves in a soft little bag. Got another sticker. Okay, put that right on top. Let's see what we got here. The sunglasses, a little plastic casing. Nothing else in the bag. Very soft bag. Get this thing off here. Struggle to get this thing off. There we go. Seems pretty dark. Nice and smooth. The frame itself feels very light. Like not nearly as heavy as I expected it to be. You could say it feels cheap, but I think it's just the type of material. I don't know. It seems quality enough. There's the temples. Front view. Try them on. I personally like oversized aviators. These are not as big as my usual ones, but I do think they at least fit my head, which is hard to do. I have a very big head. I'm not used to a plastic kind of frame, so I was just messing with it, trying to get it to fall in the right spot. Doesn't have the little nose pads I'm used to. Side view there. One thing I noticed about it is there is a lot of kind of open room on the sides that aren't covering your eyes, but that's just all peripheral. I'm not sure if it really matters if they're covered up or not. Some polarized lenses affect the screens that you look at on your phone or computer. I did not have that problem with these. I have an iPhone 6S. When I look at it, the screen just looks a little bit cooler toned, and when I turn it to the side, it turns a little bit warmer. For some people, depending on the phone, or I guess maybe the polarization of the lenses, maybe it might make it hard to see the screen. Here's an example. I'm looking at my MacBook Pro. You can see it both ways, sideways or upright, doesn't matter, not a problem. I do have a screen protector on my computer and phone. I don't know if that makes a difference. Just trying out the kind of shading of the lenses here. Just my own kind of personal experiments on this. I did notice if you look at your screen at a kind of severe angle to the side, you do get a warped effect going on. I'm sure that's just a common polarized lenses thing, and no one actually looks at a screen from that angle anyway. That's the double bridge kind of thing. Got the Nectar logo. That's the hinge. Looks strong at least. It's not a spring hinge. Stainless steel apparently. Again, these are the midnight sunglasses. They're all black. Black lenses, black frame. Kind of the aviator style. There's the temple. Very happy that these actually fit on my head. A lot of sunglasses are just too small. Just kind of seeing how they flex there. I like how the hinges aren't too loose. There's a little kind of resistance to them. I don't want them flapping around or folding without me wanting them to. I think they look good. No problems, no issues. You could check out my vlogs and other videos after this one where I end up wearing these a good amount. Feels pretty good when you're wearing them in the sun. Looks good to me. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. Drop a subscribe maybe. Throw a like on the video. Give a nice serious face.